of a cone. The base diameter is 14 centimeters. The base diameter and top diameter 42 centimeters. This is the base diameter, then this is the top diameter. Of course, this is the diameter, this is also the diameter. And respectively, our height is 20 centimeters. Take pi as 3.142. This is the height of the frustrum. Calculate its what? Volume. Now, how do we find the volume of a frustrum? So what we do, we are going to draw the shape. This is the shape that we are given. Then this is 42. Of course, what we are going to do, we are going to find the radius. This is 14. So radius you divide by 2. 14 divided by 2, you get 7. Because we are interested in the radius, not the diameter. So the radius is 7. What about here, the radius? You find half of 42. Half of 42, divide 42 by 2 so that you get the radius. So the radius is 21 centimeters from here up to the center. From here up to the center, that is our area of interest. Okay, so the figure below is a frustrum of a cone. The base diameter and top diameter 42 centimeters and 14 centimeters respectively, while the height is 20 centimeters. Take pi as 3.142. So this is the diameter, this is also the diameter. So now we are not interested in the diameter, we are interested in the radius. So you find half of diameter. If you are given the distance from this point to other point, from this edge to the other edge, find the radius. The radius is from the circumference to the center. So what you do, you find half of 14. Half of 14 you divide by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So this is 7. This is from here to here is 7. Then you also find half of 42, which is 42 divided by 2 is 21. This is what? This is 21. Then now you extend, you make a full cone. You make a what? A full cone. So it was initially like this. The cone was initially like this. Before being cut, it was like this. Okay, you extend the full cone. So the height of the frustrum from here to there is 20 centimeters. So what do you do now? This is the height of the smaller cone. This is the height of the smaller cone. So you need to find the height of the smaller cone using corresponding sides. So you are going to say radius of the smaller cone is 7. You divide by, okay, radius of the smaller cone is 7. We are finding the height. Radius of the smaller cone is 7. You divide by the radius of the larger cone. The radius of the larger cone is 21. So over 21, which is equal to height of the smaller cone is h over height of the bigger cone is from here to there. From the height of the smaller cone is from here, from the apex to the center, which is h. You divide by the height of the bigger cone. The height of the bigger cone is from here up to here. So it's from here up to here. So from here to there is h plus. From here to there is h. Then from here to there is 20. From here to there is what? 20. So it's h plus 20. h plus 20. This is 20. This distance is the same as this one. So this is 20. So h plus 20. That is the height of the bigger cone. The height of the smaller cone from here to there is h. The radius of the smaller cone is 7 over the radius of the larger cone. The larger cone is this. This is the larger cone. The radius of the smaller cone is 7. The radius of the bigger cone is 21. So now you cross multiply. H times 1 is 21h, which is equal to 7. We multiply by h plus 20. So 21h is equal to 7 times h is 7h plus 7 times 20, you get 140. You correct like terms. 21h, this one will become negative 7h is equal to 140. 21 minus 7 is 14h is equal to 140. So what do we do now? We divide by 14 so that we remain with h. 14 equal there 14. 14 and 14 cancels, with remain with h is equal to 140 divided by 14. So 14 into 140 is 10. Is 10. So the value of h from here to there is what? Is 10. So now the volume of the frustrum is equal to volume of the bigger cone minus volume of the smaller cone. So the volume of the frustrum will be given by volume of the bigger cone is 1 over 3 pi r squared h minus volume of the smaller cone is 1 over 3 pi. Now using small letters r squared, small letter h. So we factorize. What is common here? 1 over 3 pi. 1 over 3 pi is common. 1 over 3 is common. It is common. 1 over 3. Equal pi is also common, so should be written outside the brackets. Open brackets. 1 over 3 pi, 1 over 3 pi already written, so we remain with r squared h minus, here we remain with r squared h. So now let's 1 over 3, let's replace our pi. Our pi in the question is given 3.142. So times 3.142. Okay, let me write from here. So volume of the frustrum is 1 over 3 pi r squared h minus 1 over 3 pi r squared h minus r squared h. So volume is equal to 1 over 3. What is our pi? Our pi is 3.142. So you multiply by 3.142. R squared, that is the radius. The radius, remember, this is the radius of the bigger cone. R, capital letter R means radius of the bigger cone. The bigger cone is, the radius is this. This is the radius of the bigger cone. This circle represents the bigger cone. Then this circle represents the smaller cone. So the radius, this is the diameter. This is the diameter of the bigger cone. But radius is from ear to ear. So you get 42 divided by 2. 42 divided 2 divided by 2. You get what? 21. Because 21 is half of. You find half of 42, which is 21. So you put it here. 21 squared. 21 squared is the same as 21 times 21. 21 squared is the same as 21 times 21 times height. Height of the what? Height of the bigger cone. The height of the bigger cone, look at this cone that we drew. This cone is from here to there. Now from here to there, h we have already found. You see, is what? Is 10. This is 10. So from here to here is 10. Plus from here to there is 20. So 20 plus 10. This is 20. This distance is the same as this one. 20. This distance is the same as this one. 20 plus 10 is 30. So 30. So the height is 30 minus the radius of the smaller cone. This is the diameter of the smaller cone. So the radius, you find half of 14. Half of 14 is 7. So 7, since there is a square here, you say 7 times 7 times. Height of the smaller cone. Height of the smaller cone. Remember, from the diagram that we drew, the smaller cone is this one. The height of the smaller cone is 10. Is what? 10. So what do we do now? We say volume is equal to 1 times 3.142 is 3.142 divided by 3. 1 times 3.142 is 3.142 over 3. You get 1.04733. Then 21 times 21. So it's 21 times 21. 21 times 21 times 30. You get 13,230 minus this is minus 7 times 7. So this is minus 7 times 7 times 10 times 10. Okay, you get 490. So it's a volume is equal to 1.047333333. 13,230 minus 490. 13,230 minus 490. You get what? 12,740. Then 12,740 times this, multiply this by this. So 1240 times 1.047333333. Okay, you get the answer. Volume is equal to 13,343.0266. Volume is equal to three significant figures. How do we round off? 1, 2, 3. So it's 1, 3, 3. This number 1, 2, 3. See, three significant figures is ending here. Now the next number after 3 is 4. 4 is less than 5, so no need to add 1, 2, 3. 3 will remain the same. Now what about these numbers 4 and 3 before the decimal point? Are we going to throw them away? No. What do? We put what? Zeros. Here we put 0, here we put 0. Then the numbers after the point should be ignored. So in what? Cubic what? Centimeters. Remember to add a cubic because we are finding the volume cubic. If it is the area, it's square centimeters, but volume cubic centimeters. So the volume of the frustrum is 13,300 cubic centimeters. Thank you very much.